Let's have a look at verlede tyd. What does verlede tyd mean? Verlede tyd means past tense, and when you read verlede tyd, you know that het and ge is the main thing that needs to be added. Okay, so let's look at a sentence. Hulle ry op die perde. Okay, verlede tyd, same as toekomende tyd, we always follow steps. Your step 1 will be underline your verb. Okay, so you underline your verb. Okay, what is your verb? Remember, your verb will always be after the subject. Your verb 1 will always be after the subject. Okay, so in this sentence, our verb is ry. Step 2, you put a het in its place. Okay, so let's put a het at the top of ry. Step 3, you take your verb to the back. There's the verb, take it to the back and write it down. Okay, step 4, now you add a ge in front of your verb. In front of your verb. So here's your verb, you moved it to the back, just add a ge in front of it. And that is your final answer. Hulle het op die perde gery. Okay, now we're looking at our two buts. You still underline your verb. Okay, if your verb is is, it changes to was, and the rest stays the same. Okay, let's do an example. Sy is baie slim. Is, underline your verb. If your verb is, you just change it to was, and the rest stay the same. Sy was baie slim. Your second but. You still underline your verb. If your verb is het stays het, or you can remember it as het changes to het, and then you add a gehad. Remember the spelling, guys. Gehad at the back. Okay. So, once again, verlede tyd, underline your verb, put het in its place, take the verb to the back, and add a ge in front of the verb. If the verb that you underlined here at the top in the first step is, you just change it to was, and the rest of the sentence stay the same. Okay? If your verb that you underlined here at the first step, het stays het. If your verb is het, it stays het. You don't change it at all. You only add a gehad at the back. The second but is actually the easiest because you only add. You don't do anything. Okay? So, hulle het mooi skoene. Always underline your verb. Oh, you see, oh my goodness, your verb is het. Het stays het. You don't do anything to it. You only add a gehad at the back. Hulle het mooi skoene gehad. And the way your teacher will ask this to you in your exam paper will be, skryf die volgende sinne oor in die verlede tyd. Some teachers will ask you to start a sentence with gister or last week. So it will be, skryf die sinne oor in die verlede tyd. Begin met die woord gister of begin met die woord laas week.